Oh, it's you again. Hiya guys, Shep from Laser Tools here. Here we are again, another week, to bring you some more new products from the Laser Tools range. So guys, the first products we're going to show you today are from our Laser Tools racing range. This product here, Undercar Creeper, as I was just using underneath this vehicle. It's a very sturdy plastic design. It comes on the base of it with 6 rubber coated 360 degree casters. On this side of it, you've got a head support, padded, and also one there for your shoulders and body as well. The 2 pockets down here are useful for storing your tools while you're moving yourself around underneath the vehicle. If you happen to be working on an uneven surface and the creeper board is not suitable, maybe consider this foldable Laser Tools Racing work mat, which is heavily padded, also comes with a head support. It's also waterproof as well. The next product we got to show you today, guys, is this USB rechargeable inspection camera. Let me just turn the unit on here. It comes with a 5-inch screen. It's also got a very small 3.8mm illuminated camera, which has 3 stages of illumination. The benefits to the size of the camera, being only 3.8mm, is it allows you access into glow plug apertures. While you're working inside these apertures, you may also need to look back. So the kit also comes with attachments like a mirror, also a pickup magnet and a hook. The lead on the camera is 1 meter long, so it allows access into difficult to reach areas. Another feature of this camera, it has video and snapshot mode. It's also fitted with a 32 gig memory card. It's a very useful unit for relaying detailed information back to your customer. The next product we've got today, guys, is also a camera, but this time a handheld thermal imaging camera. It's a fantastic diagnostic tool, this. It can be used in various applications across a vehicle where heat detection is required. You can use it for checking wheel bearings for being too hot, brakes that are being too hot. You can also use it on the vehicle electrical system for diagnosing faults in a fuse box, if you've got a relay overheating or you've got a short circuit. You can also use this tool in the household for detecting pipes and cables hidden within a drywall. If we press the trigger on this unit, it will actually take a still picture of whatever we're looking at, which is stored on the memory card provided. It has various features that we can switch on and off by going into the menu of this. 2 of which I have switched on here. One is a UV detection for aircon, and also it has a crosshair for pinpointing various items for heat detection. If you have a component that's overheating, you will find it with this tool. The next product we got to show you today, guys, is this 17-piece Torsion Bit Set, which is brand new into the Laser Tools range. So within this kit, we have various different drives: Posi drive, Phillips, Hex drive, and also Torx drive. There are 2 different lengths of bit, 50mm and 100mm. Also, 2 ways of driving the bits. This one is a 3/8 drive quick release chuck, and the other there can be used in a conventional drill. The benefits to using a torsion bit over a conventional bit is it prevents over tightening of the fixing and subsequently damaging the fixing. These are ideal for if you're removing an under tray or arch liners in a situation where you've got a lot of screws and you want to undo them or do them up quickly. The next product we've got to show you guys today is this stud removal and installation kit. Within the kit we have two fixings, one is for removal and one is for reinstallation of the stud. Let me show you how it works. For removal of the stud, we simply thread the extractor onto the stud until the end of the extractor is level with the end of the stud. We now lock the two surfaces together. We can now put the spanner on the inside and extract the stud from the vehicle. This is a common job when replacing a timing belt kit on a VAG model of vehicle, where the stud has to be replaced as part of the kit. For reinstallation of the stud, we now use the installer part of the kit. We simply thread the installer onto the stud, and now we can install the stud back into the vehicle cylinder head in this case. We'll just nip it up with a spanner for ease. Like so. Now we can install the torque wrench and torque it up to the manufacturer's specified torque. Once we've torqued it up, we can simply remove the tool by undoing the Allen key on the end of it and removing. This is another useful tool for the professional technician. So guys, that's all we have time for this week. Until next time, stay connected and stay safe.